Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming Telegram is updated and synced so history is complete. Open the chat you want, then tap the name at top to reveal options. Once done, choose Search to scan messages. Also open Media and Shared links to see images, files, and links separately. These first steps let you narrow the timeline quickly instead of scrolling. Make sure background sync finished. If not, wait a minute for messages to appear. You now perform targeted searches to find history faster. Type a keyword, username, date format, or emoji in search. Telegram highlights results and lets you jump between hits. If you need a specific period, tap the calendar or use the from/ to filters to set a date range. Also switch tabs to Media, Links, and Files to isolate photos or documents. This detailed filtering saves time, and you finish by preserving what you found. Use settings Right Arrow Data and Storage Right Arrow Export Telegram data to back up a chat, or select Messages to star or forward to saved messages for quick access. Once exported, you can open the file on your computer to view full history offline. If messages are missing, check that you're signed into the correct account and that Cloud Sync is enabled on that device. Also confirm no active account session, deleted history recently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.